You're aware that Instagram now has Reels, and Instagram is plugging Reels. And so if you want to try to boost your organic Instagram growth, which has really been difficult the last few years, I would recommend you use video. Instagram has declared that they're trying to be more like TikTok. And so since TikTok is a video sharing site, and Instagram's goal is to be more like TikTok, then what you should do is post Reels, short videos, just like Instagram has. So YouTube also is trying to be more like TikTok. Oh, by the way, YouTube now has short videos. And if you want to grow on YouTube, post short videos. And actually, you don't even have to do anything on YouTube. All you have to do is post a video on YouTube, 60 seconds or shorter. And YouTube will automatically put it in their Reels, which currently is in beta. So if you want to grow on social media sites without having to pay to boost your visibility, the way to do that is doing what's new at the site. And because you're using the new feature, they will go ahead and give you visibility that you don't have to pay for. So on Instagram, it's currently Reels. On YouTube, it's Shorts. TikTok has something new. I'm sorry. Twitter has something new. It's called Spaces. And so you know, that's what you want to do in order to boost your organic growth, is you want to try to use the new features of the site. Visit us at the Mostly Blogging Academy.